Hey, welcome back. So this is just part two to the video I did with the wreck of an install underneath that crawl space, just letting the condensate run underneath the house from the inducer. So yeah, in this video I didn't have time that day to actually correct all the issues because there were a few of them. So I just went ahead and just showed you what I did to rectify the condensate and get that pump moved over so that they're not having draining water underneath the house. So yeah, let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, found this here on a maintenance call. As you can see, you got your condensate being disposed of right here in the crawl space. And look what I found. It's your trap assembly. Still in an unopened bag. So they didn't even think about installing the trap. And I imagine it's to do with the fact that there's zero headroom, so probably not going to be any pitch to get this condensate draining off. So yeah, this is the kind of stuff you always find in the worst crawl spaces, man. So yep. Gonna take this thing out here now. What I'm gonna do is get that pump right here. My trap. I had to use just a regular P trap for this. Got my vent, and yeah, there's just no headroom. That other trap was way too deep. So I'm just gonna move the pump from there. I don't have enough pitch. Then I'm gonna just 90 this evaporator coil into the pump here, and that should be it. But yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Starting to lose hope in humanity. Some of the stuff I see out here. They go pretty deep too. Good thing the ground got pretty well saturated. This crawl space ground is always pretty easy to dig through. But yeah, just never leave your. If you ever come across maintenance like this, don't leave it. You know, just do the right thing. Because I know maintenance is suck, but you gotta do right by the customer. Should go nice drop there. Get my evap coil in. And that should just about do it. It's not pretty, but it's a lot better than it was.
Alright, yeah, so this is the trap that was designed to go in the unit. So yeah, I tried to get a hold of the guys at Lennox, but they weren't, I don't know if they even answered their tech support line. So yeah, I was on hold with them for multiple times, trying to get in touch with them, like 45 minutes at a shot. I just gave up. But yeah, essentially, as you can see, this is pretty much a P trap here. You got your P shape. So that's all this is. You got a clean out here. So this pops off and you get your clean out. You got your outlet here. And this is the vent only, you see. And then this is the inlet, as you can see. So basically, from what I can tell, the only difference between this and just a regular 3/4 inch P-trap is just the fact that you can install this pretty conveniently in a horizontal application as well as vertical, which you can do that with a regular one, as regular P-trap as well. There doesn't seem to be much of a difference here. It seems to hold about the same amount of water. I mean, the throat on this thing is a lot more narrow than just a regular 3/4 inch P-trap. So yeah, like I say, if you do know a reason why this wouldn't be ideal to just use a regular 3/4 inch P-trap with a vent and a clean out T installed, just let me know. Once it was primed, it wasn't sucking any air through the line or anything like that. So that 3/4 inch definitely did the job. But I am curious to know. I know a lot of the train systems have pressure switch ports installed on their P-trap, so it'll trip a pressure switch if your condensate line gets backed up. But this doesn't have anything of the such, so I think it should be good just using a regular P-trap. So yeah, like I said, it was really low profile into that crawl space. So that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.